Hey guys! I was so excited when I saw that Essence released 2 new mascaras because they make some really good ones. The first one is Volume Hero Mascara Power Black and the other one is Super Curl Volume Mascara Eye Opening. Let's first talk about the things that these 2 mascaras have in common. They both have rubber wands and they make lashes look quite natural because they spread nicely on the lashes and they don't clump them together, and they also don't flake. First, let me show you the Volume Hero mascara. I really love the wand on this one. It's the perfect shape in my opinion. This is how it looks like. It's not curved or anything, and it's not too big and not too small, so you can really nicely coat your lashes. It's a nice mascara, but it doesn't add any curl to the lashes, and that's why I have a feeling they appear a bit shorter than I'm used to. I wanted to insert a picture of how this mascara looks on the lashes, but because I have lash extensions on right now, I couldn't do it on myself, and I asked my boyfriend to do it, and he agreed, so isn't he just the best for doing this? So here is a photo of how Volume Hero mascara looks on the lashes. As you can see, they're nicely separated and they look quite natural, but in comparison to some other mascaras, I would wish for maybe a bit more volume and a bit more length, so I think it's quite an average mascara. And the second one is the Super Curl mascara. This one has a bit of a different wand. As you can see, this one has a bit of a curved wand, but it's also not too big, so you can really nicely coat your lashes. I actually like this mascara more because it gives a bit of a curl to the lashes, which makes them look longer, and the eye appears a bit more open. Again, I have a photo of my boyfriend's eyelashes, so you can see the comparison. As you can see, this one also nicely coats the lashes. Maybe they're just a bit more clumped together than with the previous one, but I still like the effect of this one a bit more. Overall, I think these 2 are very nice mascaras. I just prefer the Super Curl a bit more than the Volume Hero, but both are very nice. But at the same time, they're also nothing special. They're quite average. They won't add any special, I don't know, drama to your eyes. So if you're more into natural looking eyes, then you will really like these 2. But if you want more drama, then I would go with the Essence Volume Stylist or with the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, because those are a bit more voluminous than these 2. Anyway, I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so we can see each other next time. Bye! I was so excited when I saw that Essence released 2 clump the lashes together and they don't flake.